Mr. Birkin presents How to Study for the Cells Science Test. So, if you're sitting at home tonight wondering, how do I study for this test? Here's a quick review of what we talked about today in class. So, first thing I would do, get out the old flashcard pouch and get out your science flashcards and go through each one. Make sure you know what it is. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green substance that allows plants to make their own food. Say it to yourself. Chlorophyll. What is chlorophyll? A green substance that allows plants to make their own food. Okay. Go through all of your cards as many times as it takes until you really got them planted there in your brain. Then, get out the review sheet that I gave you today. The other side we did in class, but one side should be blank. Go ahead and see if you can fill this in on your own. And then use the back to check your work. How did you do? Go ahead and go through that. Get out your cell notes. Make sure you know what all of these words mean. And definitely make sure that you know how to fill in this chart. Okay, what's pointing to cytoplasm? What's pointing to cell membrane? Which one's pointing to ribosomes? Which one is the vacuole? Which one is the nucleus? Which is the mitochondria? Make sure you can label each of these. Go through and review anything that you've written in here. Just read through it again. Make sure you've got it in your head. Make sure you know the two organelles that a plant cell has that are not found in an animal cell. Those would be chloroplasts and cell wall. And what's inside the chloroplast? Chlorophyll. Make sure you know how to label this progression from cell to tissue to organ system. Very important stuff. Get out your plant notes. Make sure you know what each of these things are. Okay, what are chloroplasts? What is chlorophyll? A lot of this you got with your flashcards. Okay, what is cellular respiration? That's a flashcard. The chemical formula, you don't need to memorize it. The idea here is that you just kind of have a visual of it. You definitely don't need to have it memorized. If you do, fine. Whatever, but it won't be on the test, not the formula itself. But there will probably be something about photosynthesis on the test. So, if you do all of that, and again, you don't need to spend an hour doing it. I would say 20, 30 minutes of review tonight, so you're ready to go tomorrow. You should do just fine. We've talked about this stuff for the last 3 weeks, so this is stuff you should know at this point. So good luck. I hope you do great.